Hi lovely people, welcome back to my page. Your girl is back here again. I'm so sorry I've not been active. It's because I've been away enjoying my Christmas, but I'm back. So this video I'm gonna upload today is a must watch for men. Okay, so this is about those of you who are having erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation. What men need to improve their sex drive is zinc, potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, and vitamin E. So I used to watch my uncles do this back home, but they don't know the biological meaning behind this. So I did my own research. Okay, so these recipes I'm gonna show you here is what you're gonna use to improve your sex drive, and you will never have any problem with your ejaculation again. So all you need to do is to drink this for 3 days and you will come back and thank me later. Stay in tune to watch the video. Bye bye.